cannot see others' profile post on Instagram, or facing the create your first post in Instagram. In this video, I will guide you through how can you fix this. If you facing the same problem, like the video and comment below so that I can know how many people facing the error. To fix the problem, watch the video carefully. First, open your mobile setting and connect to a stable internet connection. Now go back and find the apps option from your setting and open it. Now search Instagram here. Now tap on Instagram, then click on storage option and clear cache from here. Do not clear the data. Now restart your device. Then open Instagram and log out from your account and log in back. Now the problem should be fixed. If you still facing the problem, then open Play Store and update your Instagram if there are any update available. Also contact with Instagram support team to fix the problem. That's how you can fix the problem. If this video helped you out, consider liking and subscribing the channel. Thank you.